Our post-game press conference, we have our player of the game, Mark Barroca, and our winning coach, Coach Chito Victoler of Magnolia. Coach, I'll start with you. Halftime tabla, third quarter, it looked like you were gonna pull away, nakahabol. Just your thoughts on how the game was played out and how you got this victory. You mentioned mas marami pa nga yung turnovers nyo kaysa sa assist.
Yeah, first of all, thank you. Papasalamat kami sa Panginoon sa panalo namin. And we talk about the first half, we're disrupted eh. Medyo disrupted yung offense namin because of the defense of Blackwater. And we have a lot of turnovers on the first quarter. I think more assists, more turnovers than assists. And I talked to the guys about execution, moving the ball, finding the open guy, and be smart on the execution. Kasi yun nga eh, disrupted nga kami. So yun lang, ginawa lang namin more patience on offense. And at the same time, we want to be more aggressive on the defensive end, so to create also turnovers para kahit pa paano may easy points kami.
Coach, you are now on a 3-game winning streak, and despite dealing with injuries in and out, what do you think is the biggest factor dito sa tatlong dikit na panalo nyo?
I think our competitiveness and our effort, our aggressiveness on both ends of the floor. I think yung ano ngayon, yun yung pinag-usapan namin eh, with our yung mindset namin yung Hineba, that's where we're also kumbaga nandun kami. Kaya lang sa dulo lang kami natalo. But on NLEX medyo bad preparation talaga kami. And yun, nag-turn around kami and I talked to the guys, I talked to the leaders, Paul and Mark and Rafi. And we need to get serious and we need to have that competitiveness in practice. Maganda lang doon, medyo nabuo kami with the pagbalik ni Aris. Tapos ngayon si Asyong, si Jeric nandyan. So nabubuo yung ensayo namin kasi talagang yung mga ilang weeks na talagang hirap kami dahil wala kaming sa practice eh. So now, nagiging competitive ulit yung practice namin. Lumalabas sa game.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Mark, back-to-back player of the game honors, and despite playing through an injury, ano nagfu-fuel dito sa magandang pinapakita mo the past games?
First of all, we thank my Lord and my Savior. Nanalo kami ngayon, wala na injury, both teams. And sa question mo, siguro motivation lang is parang every game, every practice namin maging enjoy lang kami lagi. Especially ako, nag-enjoy lang ako. Ang sa stage ng career ko, syempre, yun yung motivation ko na every game, every practice na nag-compete ako. Kasi ako yung tao na gusto ko yung ma-challenge syempre sa mga bata para makita ko rin kung hanggang saan pa ako maglalaro. Yun na may motivation ko.
Now, you're playing, hindi ganun ka-heavy yung minutes, pero very efficient yung laro mo, quality minutes, and yung timing din ng pagpasok sa'yo ni Coach Chito. If you could share with us yung mindset mo, knowing na hindi nga ganun matagal yung minutes, and then crucial kadalasan pa pagpasok ka.
Yun din yung gusto ko kasi syempre gusto ko rin na sa elimination hindi masyadong heavy minutes kasi ilang games na rin ako na heavy minutes. Siyempre nag-step up yung iba. Kaya ngayon, bigyan sila ng chance na paglaro. Kaya yung mga iba, yung minuto ko na last 2 games na parang heavy minutes. Siyempre ngayon, nabibigay rin sa kanila. So maganda para sa akin yun is going to the playoffs, hindi naman bugbog sa paglalaro.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, congrats. 3 straight na kayo, 4-2, third place sa standings. But Saturday sa Chaong you play Rain or Shine, who's on a 5-game winning streak. Anong worry mo sa nilalaro ng Rain or Shine?
They are the hottest team and they played very very well. Parang grabe yung nilalaro nila ngayon and we just need to prepare hard mentally and physically because parehas naman to eh. Naglaro sila kanina, naglaro kami ngayon. So walang advantage, walang disadvantage. I think ano lang to. It's very good for the fans in Chaong. So talagang magiging maganda yung laban and sana makapagbigay kami ng magandang show sa taga Chaong.
What's yung thoughts about Reynor Sinuel? Thoughts mo lang on si Bo, he's been scoring 20 plus points kanina, kay Ray ulit 28. How will you try to malimit yung production niya?
Oh, si Bo, naglalaro siya ng parang all-star ngayon eh. Parang 25 years old lang si Bo. So, I think he's playing very well. In kumpiyansa niya, sobrang taas. And actually, that's why they are winning because I think because of Buelga. Titingnan pa namin. I don't know kung ano pa yung gagawin namin. But let's see tonight or and then tomorrow kung ano yung magiging game plan namin. But again, this is a very hard game, the very difficult game for us kasi they're also young, they run, and then they have the confidence na maka-compete sa kaninong team dito sa PBA.
Coach, for this game, Coach, ano yung nagbago sa team mo nung nandito na si Aris sa game? Anong naging difference?
Yeah, Aris can play multiple positions at the same time. He's a two-way player. He can play offense and defense. He can spread the floor. He can get the rebound. So madami siyang nagagawa and then he's also a veteran now na sa dami ng experience niya. Naging deep yung rotation pa namin. Before kasi we only have parang wala kaming wing guy eh. So yun, nagsabay pa din suspension ni Calvin. So talagang hirap kami nun. But now, medyo mahaba-haba. And then Joseph Oriobi is also playing well because naka-adjust na rin siya dun sa... Medyo nabigla din si Joseph eh. Sabay-sabay na wala yung wings na yan natira. So, hindi rin na-pressure din siya, di ba? So, I think nakaka-adjust na si Joseph ngayon. Nakakatulong na rin sa amin. And Ari is a big factor for us offensively and defensively.
Mark, since ata na-injure ka, parang gumaganda pa yung laro mo. Parang ano bang nangyari at ganun nga laro mo? Tsaka kailan ba gagaling na yan yung kamay mo?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Kasi siyempre sabi ng PT, time lang talaga eh. So parang natapilok ka. Siyempre nilalaro mo. Siyempre di siya napapahinga. So pabalik-balik lang. So maglalaro ka hanggang dito. Hanggang mawala. So doon sa laro na siguro mawawala to. So yung motivation lang sa amin ng ganito. Siyempre as a leader, papakita ko sa team na kaya ko mag-compete kahit meron akong nararamdaman. As a leader, siyempre, kailangan papakita sa team mo yun para madala mo sila.
Pero masakit pa rin.
Masakit pa rin.
Pag hindi niya nasushoot yung free throw,
Masakit. Pinapagalit ako ni Coach na shoot and free throw eh.
Actually, I'm very thankful to Mark because, alam ko na yung nararamdaman niya but I talked to him about it, the leader, being a leader. He showed the passion and yung kanyang guts, yung grit niya. Kumbaga talagang binibigay niya lahat kasi namin nararamdaman siya. Alam naman namin na masakit pero sabi ko siya wala siyang choice eh. So, siya yung leader, siya yung titingnan dito. But the good thing is yung iba, they will follow. So, kasi nga, ito nga, may injury na, naglalaro pa eh. Tayo pa kayang walang may injury. So, very thankful ako sa kanya. Dahil sa ginagawa niya sa team, sakripisyo niya. Kahit mag-miss siya ng free throw, okay lang.
Coach, sasabi nga ni Mark na parang sinusukat niya yung sarili na against sa mga bata sa motivation niya. Ano lang masabi niya na ganito yung nilalaro niya at 37 years old.
Ha? 37 na ba yan?
38.
37 na ba siya? Parang 30 lang yan eh. I mean, si Mark, hindi mo nagpapabaya yan eh. I mean, nakikita ko siya kung gaano niya inalagaan yung katawan niya, yung kanyang kinakain, talagang, kamote lang sa umaga yan eh. Saka itlog, so talagang alagang-alaga niya yung katawan niya. And I think, yun yung one of the biggest factors siguro na nakakasabay siya sa mga bata because inalagaan talaga niya ng katawan niya na mabuti. Yun lang, medyo siguro yung recover medyo matagal-tagal ng konti because yun nga medyo mahaba-haba ng minuto yung tinatakbo niya. But kami pinipilit namin na kahit paano ma-lower yung minutes niya para he's ready for the playoffs kasi para hindi siya nauubos. And hopefully our guards like Gio, Jed, Asyong, and Jerry can help him doon sa spot na yun para hindi rin siya masyadong masunog.
Okay, that's it for our post-game press conference. Congratulations,
Thank you.
Tapos na ni
gentlemen.
Apple, may tatanong pa.
Thank
Oh.
you.
Seryoso ba yung kamote tsaka itlog? Kumain.